Hey everyone, welcome back to No Pants Profits. This is not No Pants, and this is 7239 on the Carnival Glory ship. Let's take a look at what we'll find inside the stateroom tour. Oh wow, we got air conditioning. I've actually been on this ship before, but not the Glory. It was I think the Freedom, same class of ship, but different ship. This is a regular suite, so you can see that. These beds do split up, and there's some USB ports on the sides of the bed. Thought I turned this lamp on. I guess I didn't, but lamps are on over there. You got some closet space over here. Plenty of closet space. One of the lights works, but it's an older ship, so it's kind of expected at this point. Oh, no, this one works eventually. Just had a delay. So, you got a TV, old school hookups on the TV, but the TV itself has been upgraded, and there is a dusty old HDMI port back there. There's one on the side too, and I've done it before where you can actually plug in devices and change the input on this TV, so you can do that. There actually is a hidden plug back here, so you can plug in stuff, which is very important because you don't get many American plugs. You got a safe, very important, your clean remote. When you're a suite guest, you get free waters, so that's nice. There's some drawers, pretty normal stuff there. You got your cupboard next to the bed, USB A ports, not C, don't like those. Plenty of room for stuff underneath the bed. Yeah, pretty simple there. You got an extra large balcony. Not the perfect quality, but it's, a balcony. You can see a view of the port. The Glory is sailing from Port Canaveral today, so there it is off in the distance. Then you have this. Now this is interesting. I didn't realize this, but this table actually has a way to go up and down. It's a telescopic table or something. Or maybe it doesn't. Maybe that's just to remove the thing. Let's see if oh no, it does. Look at that. I just raised the table up, so you can actually use it for dining. I never knew that was a feature of this table. That's crazy. So look for that. That's the main room. You have a magnetic ceiling. There aren't really a whole lot of magnetic surfaces next to the bed, though, if you need magnets for hooks or something. And then this guy, I believe it converts, but I don't remember how. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe this is just yeah, no, it does. It does. It's just a weird way that it converts. So if you take these off and move the towels, and then this thing folds down and out, and then, yeah, you can see there's an entire, there's stuff underneath there. But anyway, yeah, this essentially becomes your extra bed for one additional person. So there is room for that, if you decide. All right, I'll put that back later. Over here, we have USB ports, laundry. You get a free bag of laundry if you have status with Carnival. So that's good. Blah, blah, blah. Going over here, there's the idea of where this room is located. Then we'll go into the suite. Now the suite's set up in these. You have another plug over here. And by the way, here's your plugs over here next to the phone and stuff. This should be a fridge. Yep, here's the fridge. They don't stock these as mini bars. And they stay pretty cold. It's not like ice cold, but it's pretty cold. And then over here, we have an additional closet with sliding doors. Your life jackets are there. More shelves. This one lights up too. Then you have this vanity. One of these should contain a hair dryer. There it is. It's your hair dryer. It does not move. It stays in the drawer. It comes down. You got the lights. Pretty decent vanity. And into the bathroom we go. Double sinks. Got a non-powered lamp, towel rack, some cupboards, some extra toilet tissue and Victoria Bay brand tissue. This does have a bathtub, which is interesting. Pullable shower thingy. This one used to have a sliding door, and it's been removed and replaced with a shower curtain, which is a little bit weird to me. But this is meant to have a sliding door, but I guess they decided not to do that with the bathtub, which I actually kind of prefer the shower curtain. You get your bath and shower gel and conditioning shampoo there. Nothing great. Is this what is this? Oh, is that to hold something? I don't know what that is. Let me know in the comments if you know what that is. It is a jacuzzi tub. Oh yeah, that's it. This is your completely useless plug in the bathroom. Don't try to use it. It never works. And yeah, it's just your regular ship-going toilet. It sucks, quite literally. Oop-de-doo. Nothing all that crazy. You got some extra hooks on the door here. You got a hook here. I like hooks. These are the rounded ones though, so stuff can fall off. Magnetic surface, magnetic surface, magnetic surface. That's about it. So that is the tour of this cabin. So if you're on the Glory, definitely take a look and enjoy your sweet tour. This is Bill from No Pants Profits, reminding you that the only thing to lose when you're not wearing pants is your shirt, I think.